Hey friends, today I'm taking out a recessed LED lighting and replacing it with another recessed LED lighting of a different color. So we're going to just go ahead and undo that. These are removed by pressing these little metal bars together and releasing from the hook. Okay, you can let it hang. You can undo your plug right here and then grab those other two wires and let it go. There's that. Okay, this has a little foam part on top. We're going to remove that. Keeps some bugs from crawling into your house. So we can squeeze these together, kind of. And that's gonna kind of tough. This is tough here. This is no joke right now. Okay. Got that one off. And now that we have this, we can just grab that and unscrew it. This came with its own socket attachment. This is an Eco Smart one. Screw that back in. Different one. Come on. Oh. Okay. That looks straight. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Grab your bulb. Light, and we're going to put this side in first, just like that, squeeze them together, and put them in there. Okay, and you want to, did I not put the foam on there? Oh, forgot to put the foam on. Alright, let's get the foam on there. This one goes on a little bit easier. Just like that. Foam is on there. And now we're going to put this light up there. It doesn't matter which one you put up there first. Put it up there. Attach your wires. Just like that. You might want to wear some goggles in case you don't want sheetrock falling in your eyeball. Get the other one up in there. Make sure your wires are out of the way. And put it back up in there. There you go, my friends. Thanks for watching.